Hey girls, so I'm here today to show you the refill pack of the DIY popcorn companies, the same company who made the replica of Rainbow Room. So this is it's a popcorn caramel popcorn and corporation. So there are different colors of the box and different types of rubber bands. But I chose this one, but it's not very sturdy, but I chose this one by the way. And it comes with some tools, hook, and 14 S-clips. So by the way, every pack of flume bands in big boxes have some hooks. And this is the DIY. You can see the bracelet and the different design. It said DIY up, blah blah. Let's open this up. So this is all what it comes with. 14 S-clip earlier that I said. A blue hook that I love it, and your big pile of rubber bands. And you can see the basic level, the chain or the single chain. So this is just a quick review, and please subscribe to watch my original basic and easy rainbow path and using the technique of triple single. So please subscribe, like if you love rainbow wool, and some rubber bands if you just collect them and don't really use it like I ever used like that. And thumbs up if you love S-clips, thumbs up if you love hooks, because I really love hooks, but this hook is pretty much difficult, but I kind of work fine with it. So bye, and please watch my other videos and go to my playlist Rainbow Loom stuff. So bye.